Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Madam Mary Stefan. I'm going to show you guys how I created the AYRA Starrr look. The most important part about this look is the brow and the lip and the eyeliner, and going lightweight with your foundation, your blush and your concealer. So first you need to tame your brow. I used a lash glue to tame my brow before using an eye pencil to draw my brows in slant mode. So now I'm using my exact shade of foundation from Charm Ageless Cosmetic in shade Chestnut. The aim is to just have a lightweight skin look. So for blush, I'm using a color corrector from LA Pro Concealer. And it's needed that you need to go light-handed, have that skin-like finish. And I'm using a very light contour to contour my cheekbones and my nose. I'm using the LA Pro Concealer to conceal under my eyes. I'm using the shade very close to my skin tone and I'm blending them with a brush. So to set my under eye, I'm using a setting powder from AYRA Cosmetic in shade Ginger. It's a translucent shade. So I'm using a brush to apply the setting powder onto my under eyes, my nose, my chin, my big bone, and my jaw, and my forehead too. Basically everywhere that I applied concealer. To powder my whole face, I'm using the shade Dark Chocolate from B Beauty Cosmetic 9-in-1 powder palette, and to contour I'm also using the shade Chestnut to contour my face and also my nose. So I'm applying a blush from the CPD 4-in-1 blush palette, the deep orange. So I'll be using the Tehila gel liner to line my eye, and I'm just using an angled brush to line. I'm also using the Wink Beauty mascara. To line my lip, I'm using the Mirac Charcoal pencil. After lining my lip, I use the Avoc Clear Gloss. And this is the finished look. How did I do? If you like what you see, please comment, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more. So I decided to switch up the look a little bit by adding some eyeshadow and some colors too, and also changing the lip. So I went ahead to use the Mirac Charcoal pencil to line my waterline and then smoke it out with the same brown eyeshadow, and blended my lip, the lining on my lip, and then reapplied a brown nude shade and also reapplied blush on my face. And this is the finished look. You can go ahead to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You can tell me which of the look you preferred. If you prefer the first or the second. Bye. Thank you for watching.